Alright guys, a lot of users are complaining that their iPhone Air keeps overheating, maybe while it's charging or even randomly when they're using it. So if you're facing the same issue, in this video we'll show you why it happens and what you can do to prevent it. So before we get into the details, let's talk about a few things that commonly cause your iPhone Air to overheat. Like smartphones tends to overheat during hot ambience or if you're using it directly under sunlight for an extended period of time. Apart from that, always try to use an MFI certified or original Apple cable and brick to juice it up. Now while charging, if it heats up, and in case if you use any case or phone cover, just take it off and then charge it. And talking about charging, try not to use it while it's on charge or plugged in. Just turn off the screen and leave it while it gets charged. Now let's go ahead and check out a few things that might help prevent your iPhone Air from overheating. So we're going to go to settings, and first of all, we're going to scroll down to display and brightness. In here, we recommend keeping it to dark mode since it's more heat friendly. Also, as you can see, you can lower the brightness when you're at home. And next, you got the auto lock. It's better to keep the screen timeout to minimum. Next comes the always on display or AOD. You can custom show it without the wallpaper if you want, but it'll still a bit heat up your iPhone Air, so if you want, just disable it all the way. So next, from settings, we're going to check out some accessibility settings. So first, enter motion. From here, you can reduce motion or the screen animation, and then just scroll down and toggle on the limit frame rate option if it's off. So when it's on, your iPhone Air stays to 60 Hz. When it's off, it runs at 120 Hz, which can contribute to overheating. Now then go back one step and enter display and text size. Scroll till the end, and it's recommended to keep auto brightness turned on to check overheating. Now next, from settings again, we're now going to scroll down to privacy and security. Scroll down till the bottom, enter analytics and improvements. Now here, just turn off all these data sharing options because they keep your device busy even when it's not in use, and this can cause overheating. And apart from this, every now and then, just force quit all the apps and windows that's running in the background of your iPhone Air. And lastly, when your device is not in use, just swipe down and enter Control Center. And from here, you can disable some services like AirDrop, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data, and hotspot if it's enabled. Because keeping them on constantly engages the sensors, which can cause your device to overheat. So if you got any other unique way to check overheating on your iPhone Air, just let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.